Hey, welcome to Magnus Drones. I'm Jim. Thanks for finding my channel. And if you're a subscriber, I always want to say thanks for staying with me. For Christmas, I've been working on a project where I've been flying Christmas displays either in communities or neighborhoods or even down to specific houses that I might find. And I wanted to share real quick for those of you that maybe have just started flying your drone and you're using your quick shots a lot, that I would strongly suggest that you learn to fly these manually as well and try to develop a proficient for them. And there's three that I've been using to try to capture cinematic moments and put these little videos together for this. And one of them is droney, the other one's what I call crab, and I'll explain that. And then the other one is a circle, or it's a portion of a circle, depending on how you're trying to capture or what I'm trying to do with the drone. So first of all, the drone in the droney shot, and some of you may know this, but it's basically going in reverse and ascending as you go backwards, and you're keeping your subject in camera view and you're pulling away from your shot. So again, you can do that automatically, but I'm trying to do these videos. I'm doing it on the fly. I'm trying to take into consideration a lot of things, maybe obstacles and things that might limit me just setting it up, letting it fly. And, and again, that takes time. It takes extra seconds. And I don't need to do that. I just want to do it on the fly. I just need a few seconds of video. And the next one is a circle pattern. You can either fly a complete circle, or in many cases where I'm on the street, I'm trying to capture the display that they have maybe in their front yard, and I'm not doing a full circle. I'm doing maybe a quarter circle or maybe a half circle. It might be a very short moment. I had one that I was basically trying to get a type of circle movement, but I was actually between two big trees in the yard, and that was just, I don't need taking video of trees. So it was just a portion of it. And again, to take the time to fly a complete circle, it takes time, and that's not what I needed. So again, I've developed a proficiency, a practice all the time of just doing this manually so I can fly what I need, move on to the next shot that I'm trying to capture. And then the other one, I call it a crab, is where we're doing it's actually a yaw, and a combination of a yaw and a roll, I think is really the proper term, where I would be, my stick movement would be, say, to the left or right, and then slightly up to try to get the drone to travel at an angle on a straight line. And what I'm trying to accomplish there is to capture a front yard or the property and have it in view, and it's just sort of a scan of the yard as I'm flying across it. So those are the three that I've been flying mainly. So I want to show you a video that I did, and maybe you can kind of look for those movements in the video. So I hope these help you. The main thing is, I'm just a big proponent of the quick shots are great. I use them from time to time, but I also like to develop a proficiency where I can fly them manually. All right, well, let's take a look at this video. Hope you get something out of it, and thanks for watching.